Want to make some awesome 3D text in Photoshop? Today, I'll show you how to make your words pop like never before. Alright, let's jump straight into Photoshop. Type your desired text in a very light gray, almost white color. After typing the text, add color to your background. Go to the Effects panel and click on Gradient. Follow these settings. Apply a stroke to the text using the same color code and the same size. Now, press Ctrl+J to copy the text. Select the copied text layer and press Ctrl+T. Use the arrow keys to move it one step left and one step up, then press Enter. Next, press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+T to repeat the duplication 15 times in the same direction. Do not select the top layer. Select all the other duplicated layers and group them using Ctrl+G or by grouping them from the Layers panel. Remove the style from this text and make a copy of it. Now, repeat the same initial process again to create 9 copies. Alright, now carefully follow these settings. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorials.